Ready?
Yes.
Hi, my name's Michael. This is the Tennessee workshop in my garage. Later on you'll meet my wife who's busy videoing. I'm doing this because I've heard so many people complaining about they don't have enough room to do things in a garage. So I'm doing this to prove that you can make some amazing stuff in your garage. So let's have a look at my garage currently. My wife has stuff stashed around.
Hey.
That section. Back up.
There you go. There's a garage.
Okay. Currently, this is my workshop. It's all packed up at the moment, as you can see. Today I just got that nice new DeWalt. And probably you can hear my cats scratching at the door. But
You don't have to unpack it.
so we are going to do a setup right now of one or two of the tools. So here we go. Trusty knife. Let's get this open. So here we go. This is the DeWalt Thickness Planer. As you can see, it's a DW735. Let's see, what's this?
I want to read the instructions first.
Yeah, this is the thing there. So lots of instructions.
Why don't we stop it and you can read the
yeah,
instructions?
let's stop it. Okay, we're recording. Okay, so we've removed the first lot of packaging, and here it is.
The new toy. Might have to cut the box. Cut around the
Yeah,
box.
I'm thinking about that. So.
We do have box cutters. We have box cutters someplace.
And the knife should be enough. There we go. I am by no means a master craftsman. So this, what I'm doing is not an instructional video.
He's just showing off his new toy.
There we go. Okay. There we go, right.
Careful.
Good fun.
Yeah, I don't think that thing stand will be enough.
Well, might do.
I think it's a little too narrow, baby.
Yeah. So,
Need a more bigger one.
could put it on that.
Oh, you've already got something on that.
And tape that up.
No.
So, we can pop down the lows or something.
Well, you
Get a rolling cabinet. Okay. Right. Okay, so. Alright, get the instructions. Figure this
let's
out.
read the instructions. Put it on pause. Okay.
Let's idiot guide this. This wheel comes out of the package. Use the star head from up here. Loosen it off. So we'll do that. And it goes back in there. But it can only go one particular way.
Ugh.
So here we go. Idiot guide. I call that the idiot guide.
And get a nice shot of your bald head.
Yes, I know.
Your little.
Don't over tighten these.
Yeah, I think they know.
Okay.
There you go.
So we'll wind it up. That's good. This goes onto the dust extractor. Unfortunately, at the moment, I don't have one. So it will be placed facing outwards, probably towards my car. Or my wife.
Yes. Well, you can move your car out of the driveway.
Okay.
Other way, baby, other way.
No, it fits in this way. There's a little spring load on there. Right. So basically, this goes back into place. Okay, right. At the moment I don't have any wood plane. I'll be getting that this week. And we'll be making our first thing this week.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. On Friday. So we will be making a mount for this. With 2x4s and 2x2s.
So.
Hopefully with casters. I want to get everything portable on the garage, so I can pull stuff out and move it around as to where I need it, and we'll figure things out as we go. So this is my first video. Hopefully it's good enough. Bye.